In this video I will show you how to make your image background transparent using Adobe Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop, click on File, click on Open to open the image which you want to make background transparent. Select the image, open the file. Now we have to select image background. For that we need to create a layer. Click on background and click on layer from background. Give your layer a name, BC1. Click on OK. Now under tools, select magic wand tool. Now click on the background of the image so that it can select the background. Now the tool has selected the background, and make sure that it selected every area, even the look corner of the image. Here I can see it didn't select this area and this area. To select that one, hold the shift key, click here, and click here. Finally hit delete. Now it removed the image background. To save the changes you need to click on Ctrl D. Now as you can see, it completely removed this image background from this image. Now we have to save the file. Click on File, Save. The default version would be PSD. You need to select PNG because PNG files renders most beautifully on web images. Give your file a name, as it is an Earth Hour. Save. Make sure that you don't change any options over here for the PNG. The default can do wonders. Click on OK. Now I have to show how it looks like in images. This is the original one with white background, and this one is the one which we removed the background from the image. That's it. That's how we remove a background from image using Adobe Photoshop. That's it from my end. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel for more technical updates. Bye bye.